Hello, I'm Zui, the salesman from Vigorant Tech. Today, I'd like to introduce our product, the remote control mower.
This is gasoline engine. The gasoline engine equipped with an oil pump. The system ensures that the engine receives a constant supply of pressurized oil for effective lubrication, which is essential for reliable operation and preventing premature wear during the demanding conditions of driving on a slope. This is dynamo. The use of 6 kW brushless dynamo combines the advantages of high efficiency conversion, long life, reliability, low noise, small side and lightweight. This is Vigorant servo motor. Vigorant servo motor's coil frame and enameled wire are all made of high temperature resistant materials. This makes our motor less prone to demagnetization and more durable. We use top quality imported NSK bearings, providing smooth and stable performance. And the encoder allows for more advanced control, enabling faster and more accurate motor responses. So the power line 48 and encoder line are separated to avoid the risk of the encoder being affected by high voltage breakdown. Our motor utilizes 42SH grade magnets. This enables our motor to generate stronger magnetic force, deliver higher torque, and withstand longer overload periods. This is dual-channel servo motor driver. The dual-channel servo motor driver ensures excellent synchronization, and it has encoder control and comes with electric braking and axle lock functions. It ensures that the motor remains stationary on slopes without slipping. Worm gear reducer consists of a worm wheel and worm. Its advantages include lightweight and small structure, efficient heat dissipation, easy installation and maintenance, high transmission ratio and torque capacity, smooth operation, low noise, versatility and suitability for lifting operations. It also has a long service life and a wide range of input speeds for large-scale speed reduction. Moreover, it possesses self-locking capability. The frame of our lawnmower is heavy and made of strong materials, which is 17% more than similar products. 15mm wide rubber track. It is very powerful to climb over ditch, swamps, steep slopes, wasteland, etc. This is driving wheel. Vigorant driving wheels are cast and then CNC engraved, which are strong and durable. This is track-driven wheel. Cast steel, the same material used for heavy equipment, is much heavier, stronger and more durable. This is linear actuator. Vigorant electric linear actuator adopts famous with long service life and fine workmanship. This is tie rod. The tie rod is used together with the linear to adjust the raising and lowering of the cutting platform. This is control panel. Each function button has a clear mark for easy identification by users. We also installed an emergency stop button to ensure the safety of users in emergency situations. This is remote control. 200 meters distance avoids putting workers in an unsafe mowing environment away from snakes. This is the strengthening beam, which is located at the highest end of the whole machine. Once the machine rolls over, it can greatly reduce the loss. Required accessories such as lights and warning lights can also be installed on this bar. This is snow blades, which are strong and durable.
How to operate it? First, we start the remote control. Start the mower. Firstward, backward, turn left, turn right, speed control, low speed, fast speed, cross control. Powering the cutting platform. Raising. The button is to adjust the snow blade. Raising. We have two methods to start the engine. First, control panel. Second, remote control. Last, we turn off the mower. Turn off the remote control.
If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.